Hey, you Jive VIPs, we've got some groovy news for you. You asked for Sweating Through the Decades, and it's back, you dig?
What was that? Oh my god, I got two.
Dude, what was that? Oh my god. Like, what I was saying is, this year, Sweating Through the Decades is going to be so much better than it ever has been before, because instead of 1 week, we're doing it for like 4 weeks.
That's totally tubular. When does it start?
It starts June 1st and it goes all the way through June 28th, and each week will showcase your favorite music from a different decade.
That sounds so rad.
Like, totally.
Oh my gosh, it's happening again. 8 Ball, should we tell them about the challenge?
Without a doubt. For this challenge, each week represents a different decade, and all you have to do is attend 4 classes that represent each decade before you get to time warp into the next. If you finish 4 classes in each week, you automatically get a challenge shirt.
No way, that's thebomb.com.
If you dress up to represent each of the decades, you get these bonus entries for a cash prize of $100. Now, don't worry, you online VIPs, if you want to join, you can too. You're going to have this in digital form, and you're going to be a part of our Facebook group just like our IRL VIPs. That's all that and a bag of chips.
8 Ball, can you tell them how they can join our challenge?
It is decidedly so.
Word up! What's happening?
Oh my god, this is a hot mess! Dude, take a chill pill.
So to join the challenge, if you're an in-person VIP, all you have to do is join on Mind Body or here at the front desk. It's $20, gonna get you your card, we'll hang it right up here behind us. If you're an online VIP, all you have to do is get that digital version of the card that we're gonna post on our app. And if you're not yet an online subscriber, what are you waiting for? This is your sign. Check the link in our bio, it's gonna take you to our website. You're gonna click Start My Free Trial. To join this challenge, all you have to do is subscribe, and everybody gets a 2-week free trial. And you know what? If you're not an in-person VIP, this is also your sign, because surprise, our summer special starts June 1st. You get the whole entire month of June for $69.
Dude, that's sick.
But shizzle my nizzle.
And we'll see you on June 1st.
Son of a